November 21st.
21st?
Sorry, no, I just playing. Hold on, let me go pop the trunk on the nigga real quick.
Boy.
That's what's about to go on. Go pop the trunk on the nigga. Hold on, here we go. About to pop the trunk on the nigga real quick. Damn, nigga, hold on. Nigga trying to pop the trunk. No, I'm not. I'm about to pop the trunk on the nigga. I don't want y'all niggas to see what's in this trunk, bro. Hell no. I ain't even about to let niggas know. Can't let niggas know what's in this bitch. Okay. Hold on. Popping the trunk on these bitch. Got the bag, man. Just pop the trunk. Hold on. Get the bag in real quick, boy.
Lock, get the key.
Boy, I'm not about to play with you. Open the door, nigga. The bag in, nigga.